Before diving into work, I like to have a coffee. To be honest, the coffee in the office, it's really tasty. I don't know how to explain this, but maybe because of the environment, because of the mood, so it feels different. So I like to have the first thing in the office, the coffee.
Being a sociable person and enjoying talking to people, my favorite spot in the office is in the middle of what we call our fan zone, a desk near the window. I like it because I can enjoy the natural light throughout the day. It gives me a boost of energy and I can interact very easily with my colleagues who are in the same office. And I can't wait to get here in the morning, install myself, grab a cup of coffee and get ready for the day that has just begun.
As a release manager at Axway, I'm responsible for scheduling, planning, and delivering the software to our customers. This role is exciting and challenging because I have to interact with multiple teams across the globe, starting with R&D, DevOps, and going all the way to the legal team, just to make sure that all objectives are covered. The challenging part of this job is to identify risks that can delay the release and manage them such that the scope and quality of the release is not affected.
I'm with Axway since 2007, working mainly on NFT products. I'm with my colleagues, Aline, Mudalina. This is our favorite spot. Like, we are working here because we can share our idea either on the TV or on the blackboard.
As a senior technical support engineer, my duty is to help our customer to solve the issues they are facing with Axway product. I have been here in Axway since a long time, so I become the main contact for the project I'm working on when it comes to collaboration between departments within Axway and even inside the team. I really enjoy giving help to our customers, helping the colleagues, and it's really a great pleasure, and especially when I get positive feedbacks.
It feels really great to be in a multicultural environment. Me being a Canadian myself in Romania, learning so much about this culture that I've kind of thrown myself into. Being a Canadian as well, I get to share my side, which I find really nice to know that everyone here is very interested in where I come from too, and I feel completely accepted.
I started as a programmer. I became project manager and now I'm leading the professional services department. Being a woman in tech is no different than being a man in tech. I've been managing teams for the last 15 years and it's not about gender. It's about bright people putting their mind together to build tomorrow's software for our customers. What excites me the most is having meaningful conversations with my colleagues and making plans for the future. Working at Axway Romania, I always found motivation in my role. Being a leader is about supporting others to find their path and to unleash their potential.
After the pandemic, it's become very hard to meet everyone on the same day. Thankfully, we have this all-hands meeting that is happen every quarter, and in this time, all of us are in the office, so we have the chance to see each other. From time to time, we hang out after work with the team to have a drink or a meal. This is actually for us it's an occasion to talk, discuss, to share our stories, our thoughts. Other than that, we could just gather after work in the office while we play some board game or card game. For people.